today we're going to be replacing the vent cover on our Coleman Popup. We had it up the other day and there were some strong winds and it just took off flying. Seems pretty straightforward, fairly simple. This is actually a kit from CAMPER, RV trailer vent cover, 1 pack. You can't see that. We'll go ahead and link it down below in the description. So, I got to looking at this, and as simple as there's these little tabs right here, and you're going to bend them out, and that's going to allow this whole assembly to come off. The new vent cover comes with the same, so that'll actually slide back in there, and then it'll attach to this new one, which comes with its own new bracket, this, and hardware. So I'm going to go ahead and set you up, and then we'll get to work. Already got this side undone. I'm pretty light. I wouldn't really recommend getting up on your roof like this. I would try to find some other way, but I'm not too worried about it. On mine, these roofs are pretty strong, and so I'm just using little things like a little punch, little pick. And like I said, there's these like little flanges that you get in, and get in there and bend out. And then this whole assembly should, oh, you know what? So I'm going to have to go in there and put it all the way up so that we can get this out through there. So let me go do that. So I had to pop it up and put this up. You actually might need to take the screen off and take the arm off on yours, but this is cheap. I was able to kind of just bend, hold on. I was able to bend it around it, and then the new one actually uses bolts. So now this will slide out freely like that. And then we're going to go ahead and get this one assembled. Alright. Like I said, this came with its own hardware, so we have 2, 4, 5. Kind of random. But okay, so we're going to start on the front. And put these through. Loosely bolt that down. These things are tiny. Probably wouldn't take much to strip this out, and then these come with a little rubber washer, so I'm going to go ahead and put those on the outside, keep out any of the elements. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and this one started. Okay, so now I have to kind of figure this out. Before we attach this, though, we're going to want to make sure we get it on there.
Alright, so here you see me wasting a whole bunch of time. You'll see me later on do this a better way, but my recommendation would be to put all this together, make sure it's oriented the right way, and decide instead of trying to put it together with an arm like that, just take the screen off, take the arm off. Again, you'll see later. You'll see later on in the video. Way better way to do this. I wasted a good 20 minutes on this. So at least you know what not to do.
Okay, that wave really wasn't working for me, so I decided to bring everything down off the top. And we're going to try to assemble it down here, and then we're probably going to have to pop it up and reattach this from inside. But, at least we all know now. And you guys don't have to go through the struggle like I did. So, they could have made these bolts a little bit longer. Man, oh man, they're tiny. Hard to hold on to. Not very long. Alright. There we go. And before we pop this thing up, I think I'm going to slide this in. We'll have to let the arm down and slide this in. And then we'll reattach everything once it's in. Once we pop up the top. Alright, so far so good. I'm saying, those screws are pretty tiny. Nothing crazy. Couple bolts. Very easy concept. Ours just was, it looks like it's original from 1999. Probably wasn't, but man, that wind got a hold of it and it smashed into like 50 million different parts. Pretty easy fix. I believe this is $20 again. We'll link it down in the description. But $20 really isn't that bad nowadays. And hopefully this one's supposed to be anti-brake or something like that. So that's it. RV trailer, camper, motorhome, and vent cover. CAMPER. So 14-inch universal cover. Again, $20. We'll see how long it holds up, but better than what's on there, which is nothing. I think, like I said, I think it must have been on there for a while. Alright, just bear with me, guys. Almost done. So, again, you're learning with me. What are you talking about, babe? Hold on. Okay. So, looks like you just have to undo this. Alright. Word of advice. This hole will be on the bottom because this whole thing has to be switched around. That way this actually slides. Because right now it's trying to go over to the other side. So, another thing that you won't have to worry about while you're doing this. Let me go switch that around real quick. Okay, so that's now flipped around. It's a lot easier doing it the second time. I'm going to go back up top, slide this on, and then we'll continue. Alright, so now, there we go. Wow. Makes it a lot easier. I think this way is just the way to go. In the long run, this is a lot easier. Instead of trying to do it from the top. Uh-oh. Oh yeah.
Alright, so here I'm just putting everything back together. Like I said, I'm glad I kind of had to do this way anyway, but I'm glad I did because I was able to check out the roof. Everything's good up there. Just putting the screen in. I should have already put the arm in. And everything goes back together way easier. Fairly quick, fairly easy.
Alright. Almost done. Yes, babe. Okay, go ahead. There we go. What are you doing? And then we have on off. Not bad. That job to do. And honestly, like, it's not that complex. It just took a little while to figure how everything goes. But we now have a ceiling vent cover. And for the price, I can't really beat it. Works well. Coming down, like I said, it kind of that's some weird stuff, but whatever. Full of grease, not really a big deal. Alright. So, if this helped you out at all, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like. Really appreciate the views. And